How to transfer Viber messages from old Android phone to new Android phone. This method lets you back up and restore all your conversations seamlessly. First, open Viber on your old Android device. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner to open the menu. Following that, tap on Settings and then tap on Account. Now, tap on Viber Backup to access backup options. Moving forward, tap on Backup Now to create a fresh backup of all your messages, photos, and videos to Google Drive. Afterwards, make sure you're signed in with your Google account and that the backup completes successfully. In addition to that, you'll see the backup size and date once it's finished. Once the backup is complete, take your new Android device and install Viber from the Google Play Store. Subsequently, open Viber and sign in using the same phone number you used on your old device. Moreover, verify your number with the code sent via SMS. Afterwards, Viber will automatically detect your Google Drive backup and ask if you want to restore. Then, tap on Restore to begin downloading all your chats and media to the new phone. Within a few minutes, depending on backup size, all your Viber conversations will appear on your new device. Alternatively, make sure both devices are connected to Wi-Fi for faster restoration. And that's it. If this guide helped you move your Viber chats successfully, give it a like. Subscribe for more messaging app tutorials and click the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.